My name is Jennifer Turcotte with IGL Coatings, and this is EcoCoat Wheel. Let's check it out. EcoCoat Wheel is a REACH-compliant synthesized nanotechnology ceramic coating for wheels, which contains more than 90% of active material in its formula. It forms an interlocking glass-like finish on a molecular level with amazing protection. The result is the ceramic-coated surface will have a higher resistance against high-temperature brake dust, micromarring, chemical attack, and staining that will last up to 1 year. First, you're going to want to clean the wheels prior to coating. We recommend using EcoClean iron to remove all the iron particles or fallout. Use EcoClean wash to thoroughly remove all the remaining residue and leftover film on the surface. If the substrate was previously treated with a coating system, proper removal, preferably with a polishing agent, is important to ensure that the product bonds with the surface. Before applying EcoCoat Pre-Coat, make sure the surface is dry. EcoCoat Pre-Coat is used after cleaning the surface, so the coating will adhere straight to the surface of the wheel. In order to permit sufficient chemical bonding of EcoCoat Wheel to the substrate, the surface must be carefully cleaned of all contamination before application. The long-term stability of abrasion resistance of the coating depends on how well EcoCoat Wheel has chemically bonded with the surface. Coat the surface immediately after cleaning to prevent any contamination. You're going to want to make sure that the mixture is unstirred. Avoid exposing the surface to direct sunlight during application. Place a few drops of EcoCoat Wheel on the provided applicator cloth and go in a cross-hatch motion. Always ensure that the areas coated are overlapping. Wait about 2 to 5 minutes, or when there is a small resistance in buffing, then buff off with a clean, dry IGL microfiber cloth. Allow coating to cure for 2 hours at 41 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or at 1 hour at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and then apply a second layer, buff off after about 2 to 5 minutes with a clean, dry IGL microfiber cloth. You're going to want to apply the second layer within a 2 to 12 hour period. One important thing to remember, do not let the film dry sporadically. If it dries within 2 hours, the film can be removed with a small amount of EcoCoat Wheel to reactivate the coating. If it has been allowed to harden for more than 12 hours, it will need to be polished off and reapplied. The applied coating will fully cure in 3 to 5 days. During this period, the surface should not be washed with any harsh shampoos, all-purpose cleaners, or any product containing caustic soda. This will damage the hydrophobic properties. If necessary, the coated surface may be washed with just normal water during this period. For more information, go to iglcoatingsusa.com, or you can contact me directly at jturcotte@iglcoatingsusa.com.